How to make what? Chimichurri? Yes, this simple but zesty sauce is not that hard to make. Come with me and I'm going to show you the journey from seed to table. Everything starts with the seed, so I use flat leaf Italian parsley, and it's the best. Check out my parsley plant that I grew from the seeds that I just showed you. I put the seeds in the ground last fall, and now it's springtime, and I have a huge, lush plant. It's very low maintenance, no pruning required. You just snip off some leaves when you're ready to cook. It's chimichurri time. Let's go grab some parsley. You want to look for the freshest leaves and literally start cutting. I try to avoid the center of the plant because that is where the new growth is coming out. So I typically go from the bottom and work my way around. Yuck! So you want to make sure you wash off your fresh harvest really well, especially after finding that snail. But it is nature. Full list of ingredients will be in the description box below. Red chili, garlic, of course parsley, salt, and oil. Not enough oil here, so I'm going to add some more. That's better. Here, I'm going to use lemon instead of vinegar. I don't have any vinegar on hand, so I'm just going to use a fresh lemon. There it is. Look at that beautiful chimichurri. Now make sure to put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before you use it. Honestly, this tastes amazing on anything you put it on. I like to baste my food with it and then also sprinkle a little freshness at the end before I plate it. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more seed to table deliciousness.